Breakfast is such an incredible time of day to sneak in a few extra servings of California avocados. And you can do so much more with avocados than just avocado toast for breakfast. From savory to sweet, we are highlighting this delicious fruit, creating 3 spectacular breakfast recipes that you can enjoy all week long. I have a massive sweet tooth, so whenever there's a way to incorporate nutritious ingredients like California avocados into chocolate chip banana bread, I will do it. California avocados are a heart-healthy superfood and provide good fats to one's diet, so you won't feel guilty when you want a second piece of this banana bread. And in some recipes, you can even substitute the avocado for butter or shortening and baking. The nutritional value increases from the avocado's nearly 20 vitamins, minerals, and good fats. Plus, you reduce the sodium and cholesterol because avocados have 0 sodium and cholesterol. That's pretty amazing. And now we have this gorgeous 4-layer savory power parfait with California avocados. I mean, look how beautiful this stack of goodness is. This savory power parfait starts off with a layer of whipped California avocados, which are blended with Greek yogurt and chili oil for a pop of flavor. Whenever you want to sneak in a creamy and flavorful delight into your breakfast, blend avocados into the meal, where bountiful flavor and nutrition pair perfectly. Then we have our cubed avocados, which taste delicious with the sauteed cherry tomatoes that we made in bulk. This decadent savory breakfast can be assembled in a matter of minutes for an utterly delicious breakfast for a speedy morning. Last but not least, we are taking a classic scramble recipe and completely revamping it. Tofu scramble with roasted rosemary mushrooms, California avocados, and topped with an avocado salsa verde. This is the perfect weekend brunch recipe that showcases how California avocados can enhance the flavor of any plant-based meal. The flavor of this tofu scramble is all in the spicy California salsa verde, another effortless way to incorporate California avocados into your morning breakfast. Now we add in extra avocado slices and serve with these delicious rosemary mushrooms. And there you have it! 3 mouth-watering recipes that highlight the great flavor of California avocados and show just how seamlessly avocados can transition from savory to sweet breakfast recipes. I encourage you to take full advantage of the abundance of the fresh produce grown in California. So be sure to look for California on the label in your local grocery stores. Enjoy!